To begin with, plug in the power cable received in the box to the power inlet, which is a Type-C connector at the rear end of the camera. Thereafter, press and hold the reset button located at the rear end of the camera for 3 seconds until the unit confirms the device has been reset. The camera will rotate 360 degrees and scan the area before it settles down to proceed with the connecting. Install the Mi Home application from Google Play Store on your device first. Thereafter press the plus icon located at the top right corner of the app, followed with clicking Add Device. Now you will be able to see the device already visible on the nearby devices available. Next, the unit will require your Wi-Fi connection to be confirmed. Check if the Wi-Fi details are correct before proceeding. Now the device will request to scan the QR code, which is located at the bottom of the device. After scanning the QR code, the unit will process the details and complete the connection to the application. Do not disconnect the unit from power or change the application during this process. Device connectivity complete. Now you can select a location where your camera is located for easy recalling. You can also name your camera if you want, or you can leave it as it is. Add a shortcut of your cam on the application homepage for easy viewing. Check out the user agreement and privacy policy and click Agree to proceed with completing the process. Now that you have successfully connected the device, you can scroll the camera with the navigation menu on the application. The application has a load of options which you can explore one by one and customize your requirements as you require. The navigation tool can be rotated 360 degrees, making it a very easy to use option for the camera.